Hello guys, we're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the business process management, guys. That is BPM. So guys, I did search for this topic also, but I did not find any kind of proper theoretical understanding, guys. So basically, I'll be just giving you an overview, you can say, guys. Okay, yes. So basically, it is a discipline in operational management in which people use various methods to discover, model, analyze, measure, improve, optimize, and doing some business processes. So basically this is a business process management, guys. So basically whenever you are using any kind of a pass or any kind of service, sometimes you want to increase your speed or increase your some things, right? Yes. So at that time, if you are following BPAS, so here he took example of BPAS, guys. Okay, so when you want to increase some kind of storage or any kind of request comes, so at that time you might be anywhere, guys. So you might be in a restaurant or anywhere. From there only you can complete any kind of purchase and everything, guys. So these kind of things comes under BPAS, guys. Okay, so everything is controlled from a single smartphone or any kind of device without going to office or anywhere. Okay, yes. So this BPM, so this BPM is the main backend structure which helps in these things. Okay, yes. So BPM is having 4 phases, you can say, guys. So the first phase is design, implementation, and enhancement and evolution. Okay, so let us go through the theoretical part, guys. I did not get that much clear idea about these things, guys. Okay, yes. So design is nothing but where you will be designing things based on your requirements, right? So it consists of identifying existing procedures and capturing this business process into models. So basically you are following some methods, right? Yes. So those methods now you will be converting into some designs. Okay, so once the designs are ready, you will be going on to the implementation. So this is something like RSDLC. So in that way, okay, so now you will be moving on to implementation. So it develops the result of a design phase. So a BPM package can use the house of these processes. So basically implementation will be done here. Okay, similarly enhancement. So basically if there are any more upgradations or any kind of changes, you will run the process and you will compare it, guys. So basically whether it is going as per your requirement and everything, and you will be thinking that okay, it's fine in that way, and at the end you will do evaluation. Okay, so it monitors the information gathering together through the whole method. Okay, yes. So this BPM also includes various tools, guys, like visualization. So basically you can observe how the process are going and everything. Similarly you can measure the things, you can analyze the things, you can improve many things like that. There are various tools, guys, you can use them and you can get the result. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea, right? So for these answers, I don't know how we are going to write in examination, because if these questions are asked as an LQ, it will be a problem, right? Yes. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture and discuss about the enterprise search and analysis. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.